The green one next to it, this one. There's some really pretty coloured cars here, eh? You like this one, Joe? Someone just pulled my ponytail. Go to the back. Sure, but these gents are here.
Yeah. So if you get out at Huntley and walk around the carcass, but we could just gone numb, eh?
It's very hard to get men to disagree.
And it wouldn't pull.
It's for the white one.
You had to be moving, so you had to leave the car instead.
No, you can't.
It's a little weird.
Never mind, not a built car. Yeah, I think I've got this one. Oh, sorry. Someone's taking a photo. This is... Oh yeah, this is the one I've got on my page. I love the exhaust on it. Look at it. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, poor doggy's so hot.
Initially it was really good.
Okay.
No, good place to come to drink, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you said sorry,
I'm not going to get a cup of coffee.
when I said sorry, sorry.
Anyway,
Scott.
nice to meet you. So where are you based?
Whangarei.
Oh, okay. Yep. Put a fun ride in that back, wouldn't it?
Yep.
2JZ.
Buy it right now.
It's for sale. What do they want for it? 86,000 Supra RZ. 85,000? No way.
The mirror's shining.
Not for that price. I'd just bring one in. Let's try and find the McLaren. That's somewhere in here. I'm picking it's on the other side. If you see something you want to see. Oh, we've already shown yours, little campers. Are you at the combi now? That's nice. In Australia, there's a 1200 horsepower 2-speed power glide RZ for 60,000 for sale at the moment. Yeah, there's Firebirds. I just haven't found them. They went past us on the way in, Scott. Will they be here? Oh, that's for sale. Pontiac. Oh, he's sitting in his combi. Let's go and annoy him. Let's go have a look at the combi. Hello, sir. Look. Isn't it cute inside here?
She's talking about me, not the vehicle.
Have you got snacks? They want to know if you've got snacks.
Snacks? No.
No?
I emptied it out after we did our last trip.
So this is going to be for sale soon?
Yes.
Yeah.
Be for sale. Towards the end of the year.
Yeah.
There's a toilet under there. Pull-out toilet.
Oh, under here?
Yeah, it comes out there. So you slide it back.
Yeah.
Where your hand is,
Yeah.
that's a pull-out stove.
Oh, okay. Under here?
Yeah, there's a button on the front and you just press it and pull it out. And the stove is, give it a pull. That's it.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
stove
There you
and
go.
thing under there. Where I'm sitting makes double bed, of course,
Yep.
and there's one that you can make up above me,
Okay.
and got 12 volt power supply. So a touch light, see underneath,
Very
all the way
cool.
along. I also put a screen up
Yeah.
and I have a projector on here and watch movies.
Oh, yeah. So it puts the screen hanging from
Things
here.
on the hooks up there.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So this will be for sale because
Because I got another one coming.
Little Campers has brought something and it's coming in from South Africa, but I can't tell you what it is.
No, it's, I'll tell you where it is right now.
Where is
It's
it?
in between Shanghai and Hong Kong. It went from Devon in South Africa
Yeah.
up to Shanghai,
Yeah.
got offloaded off the ship. The ship from New Zealand goes up to Shanghai.
Yeah.
They're loaded onto that, and now it's going to Hong Kong, to Brisbane, and then to Auckland.
Okay. Cool.
Be here in May.
In May. Oh, that's soon. Now.
Yes. So it's got to go through compliance.
Compliance. Yeah.
And once it's gone through compliance, we'll be right. Hopefully.
Awesome. All right. We will carry on. Thank you, Little Campers.
It'd be good because I'm not.
Wait, I'll try. Isn't it cool? This finishes at 12. I need to try and find when did that McLaren come in? It came in before that. Is it down here? Let's have a look. It should be down here somewhere. See, people are leaving already. I have no idea. It's so hard. There's so many cars. Heard this thing come in. This sounded mint. It's on your right down one of those roads closer to the entrance. Okay, thank you.
There's opportunity there. Every year they've been up there, there's been something wrong with the boat. As soon as you comes up
Oh, I saw this come in. Oh, damn. Boom. Not an over. Hey, Demo. How are you? Hey, Paulie. Ventura. We're at Auckland Showgrounds, guys. Oh, that cop car's for sale too. Nice truck. Oh, they're going. Let's listen to it. Nice NSX too. I need to go out on the road. People are leaving. You're jealous? Now, is this NSX? No, it's an automatic bugger. It's a car show. Still trying to find this McLaren. That's what I need. Great big stick like that one. Look at that. Shaker. MR2 crew. Yeah, I got no idea where the McLaren is. That's Jimmy James. No, it's not. That's not Jimmy. That's Jimmy James. Here. That one. One would think he's the Evo gang. Everyone's hanging around this one. We said it was down here somewhere. I know if I had a McLaren, I'd be trying to park it away from everybody. Hasbro just got his phone mounted on the fishing pole. No, it's one of those 360 things.
Ferrari. How's the 540?
We saw him come in. Very nice. The old BSA. Look at that. Hey Ben, how are you? Not much to it. That's that car the ladies were driving over the back. I just can't remember when it came in amongst all of these. We're good, thank you. Oh, 38k. Oh, there's a few cars for sale nowadays. This one. No price on this one. Hey, hey! There's just bloody cars everywhere. It's hard. But this looks red. It is not. Well, it's fluoro orange, but it looks red on the phone. It's like fluoro. The old Anglia. And all the cobras. Alright, let me get this one that's coming out. I think I need to go out on the road. I don't want to miss anyone. Maybe the McLaren guy was like, too many cars, I'm out of here. I would run after I want to see him go, but I think he's going to leave before I get there. Nice Apache. Oh, we got to go out here, right, for the scenes. Okay, I can't run. Well, I could, but okay, let's pick up the pace. No! Damn. And look, there's all this traffic still trying to get in, guys. I'm trying, Kane. So all these guys cannot get into the show. How bad is that? I mean, it's a great problem. The old Nissan. We'll go further away from the crowds. Crazy, right? So this will be mixed up with normal traffic, but you'll tell which guys are coming out from the show. I just cannot believe that it's so packed today that they can't get them all in. This is Auckland, New Zealand. We're at the Auckland Showgrounds, but we've just come outside because some of these cars are already leaving. This boat just went past. It's a car show, so coffee and cars, but so many cars can't get in. So I'm just going to put you guys down on the ground for a sec while I pull out my tripod so it's easier for me and I can charge it. Hey Daniel! That Shelby that was in there. Okay, I'm putting you down. I'm just going to put my tripod up. One sec. Sorry guys. Right. In the tripod to go. It finishes at 12, but people are leaving, they can't get in. So I'm just going to put away my gimbal. There's just so much going on today, like honestly, we're in Green Lane in Auckland at a car show. Very, very busy today. Demon. Nice Demon. It's a massive show. Look, these guys are still trying to get in. And it started an hour ago. So I'm kind of glad we got here on time. Hi Legion, how are you? Good, thank you. It's insane the number of cars that are out. I mean, we have had really lovely weather too, so that makes it different. Hi, Elsifer, how are you? This guy over here, you can tell the car guys, look, he's out here trying to tell people, hey mate, we're full.